Hey friends, if you wish to disable sign-in options in Windows settings, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft Policy Manager, default, settings and allow sign-in options. Okay, so here's the thing. We have this option for allow sign-in options. If the default value is nothing, it means that it is 0. But here's one thing that we can do. We can also create a Diva 32-bit entry with the same name, right? Okay, it has a value. The value is 1 means it is allowed. Make it 0 to disallow it. Hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.